One thing he said is, look at that industry, that he is that general. He said this. The question was asked. Now, if I don't get it exactly correct, the question was asked that if you change from Gangsta Disciples to growth and development, what about your membership? And he stated that doesn't matter. As long as I have a committed 10%, that doesn't matter. But just to say this, I can have 100 people. But if that 100 people is not committed, what do you really have, man? Sister, what do you really have? I don't have nothing. You don't have nothing. Yeah. I'm enjoy it. I'm sorry to break it off. Nah, you good. You know. Listen, don't look for me tomorrow. That ain't gonna happen. But
pretty much.
We're gonna set it up with your administrative staff. We shake it for people that need to set it up with. They'll be with you. The only thing I can say is, if you come to the state, I don't like it. If I walk somewhere, I don't want 5 or 6 people with me. You front us out. Be discreet in how you do things, and that is, if one of the board members says that they're going to the bathroom, one of y'all should activate, immediately get to that bathroom, immediately set up a perimeter, make sure everything's okay. Now he control, and I control, and I don't have to. Which means that which means that that's the truth. I'm gonna take it like this. I love y'all, man. The chairman love y'all, and I heard y'all say I appreciate it. Well, it's my own. No, it's mine. Well, no. I'll tell you like this. The chairman envisioned a better life for our people out in the community, and he sat down and planned to get it done. The problem is we just not following his plan, man. Mm-hmm. What is our problem?
Mm-hmm.
What's our problem? Y'all got it done, man. Y'all got it done, man. And the first time that I came into the fold, my mind was blown, I was overwhelmed, and I usually don't speak much, I'm quiet. But when that business that they take care of, come out that shit. So, man, well, let's get through it. I told you I wasn't doing it fast. I was doing it. I was doing swing. In fact, I ain't gonna sure. But I might want to play some. I might go get some root. Who said that?
Right. Folks, ain't nobody gonna foul you. You can't play with nobody. Like Michael Jordan out here. You gonna look like Michael Jordan out here.
Folks want you to give it his best.
Tell you what the chairman. Man, I wish. Hold on. I wish Easy was over here.
He right there.
I'm gonna tell you what the chairman told the young brothers that they, and we just grew. We had a 40 squad. We were bad. You put your best together. Basic basketball, and we won the championship here. He told him young boy, going over, bring it to Duffie Clark, playing soft, play ball, and he come in that court strong, slamming off the backboard. I had a nice jump shot, but one thing I can say is this: when I did like this, and cocked it back and say "Red Allah," it's over with. What he did? Well, he take it. But anyway, he'll take it. But he used to play, and the chairman was the type of chairman that got in with his people and interacted with his people. He didn't isolate his people. You could walk up to the chairman at any time. Of course, there'll be gonna be some niggas looking at you like, I wish you would. But you can walk up to him. It's open out there. And for us to come from where we come from, and for y'all to be here, right now, today, you know what that tells me? And I'm certainly gonna let him know that all the misery he went through, all the pain, suffering that we went through, gee, was not in vain. And that's why I love y'all, man.
Love you too, G.
And that's for life.
For life, G. Until the world blow up.
Disciples.
Disciples.